Yes. Yo yo. Oh my goodness. This is a good steam. Wow. Yes. Now we are here. This Tosif. Very adventure journey. This is Mezba bhai. Hi Mezba bhai. Really, we're too much tired to come here. We can't imagine. Very desperate journey. Very desperate journey. And hard labor. So really is the hard labor. So look at here. Alhamdulillah, by grace of Almighty, at least we come here. So really is the wonderful and very beautiful scenery. Look at the steam. Yes. By gradually we are going to the close to the steam. This is the big challenging journey. Can't believe. Very big challenging journey. Look at here. This is the wonderful. You can't believe. If you not come here, you can't imagine. Very natural steam. Behind of the steam is India. It's the what is coming from India. So now I'm close to Ham steam at yes, here. This is the very adventure journey. Yes, maybe we are hearing the very heartbeat sound, very charming sound of water. Look at here. I'm very close now. This Tosif is standing there. Yes.